real bad. I've got a ton of gravel in my shoes, world on my shoulder, heart full of blues out in the dirt. I've been a real bad boy on the town all night, starting to calm down with the morning light. I'm in the dirt.
Oh, the wind is blowing, so that'll be interesting if it picks up the wind. Yeah, I should be on. Hello. 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 Whoa. It's on. It's on. It's on. Sweet.
There he is, got his hand up to his mouth.
Cinnamon Pass today.
Yay.
Hey there, just want to say, what do you call a deaf gynecologist? A lip reader. Ha!
And spend some good quality time and actually do some trail runs. On to friends, and we'll see you next time.
Take that bill.
Nice, John.
That boy likes to climb up everything he can. All right. All right. All right. This is called the Colson Square. The Colson Square. This is the No-No Square. That's cool.
Hey, you know why witches can't have babies? It's because their husbands have Halloweenies. Ha!
I have a ton of things that I have. No. No, no, no. No.
I know, it's a big bump. I can go angry or
Fail.
fail?
You.
What?
Camera recording. You good? You good? All right.
You did it!
This is why I like her being there, because it always makes me laugh and everybody got a smile on their face.
Take a
We're very
three.
serious, we're not smiling.
All right, you're up.
I'm like literally all day last Saturday
Yeah, I'm sorry.
cutting off the axle and stuff.
Stop. Where you sit up thing. And thank you for filming.
Avalanche coming. Woohoo.
And that is how you get a lot of dirt in your butt. All right, so we're gonna try to. And that's at the end of the video. If you have any questions, I will be posting about this event. Okay. Were you able to stop recording?
No, I didn't get there yet.
Oh, okay. Go to the left corner, or top right hand corner. California path into England's Port and then back down to Silverton. It's going to be an amazing adventure. And
Excuse me, sir. Any great poop on?
I didn't poop on nothing.
Peeing at its finest. Just standing peeing. It's fine. Take
that's
boy.
that's good clothes.
Perfect.
So we stopped to set up to do. We stopped to set up a shot, and somebody needed to use the bathroom, and discovered that somebody else needed to use the bathroom. But people, seriously, let's keep our forests clean. I mean, that's just ridiculous. Someone's hungry, so we're gonna do the right thing. Even though we don't want to touch it. And we're gonna we're gonna pack it out.
Hey, John.
What's life if you don't have fun, laughs, and adventure? Well, I hope you enjoyed all these bloopers of DB Overland since I started the channel all the way up to 2022. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for your support. I'm looking forward to the future. Until next time, we'll see you out on the trail.